How to take screenshot in Telegram secret chat.
Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hello everybody.
So by default on Android phones, Telegram disables screenshots for secret chats due to end-to-end encryption. However, if you are using an older version of Android with an older version of Telegram app, you might be able to enable screenshots. So first, set up a passcode or PIN lock for Telegram. And then if you see the option allow screenshots, toggle it on and you will now be able to take screenshots in secret chats too. But if you do not see it, you will not be able to take screenshots on Telegram. So on iOS or iPhone, you can take screenshots of secret chats without any issue. Simply open the chat and take a screenshot as you normally would. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll get you in the next one.